Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today is January 9th, 2024. Happy New Year. I'm going to do a combo of Abibu Oluwa's rap songs. So it will be a compilation. It's mostly rhythmic, but I just wanted to show you guys how vast this guy's skill set is musically. So the first song I'm going to pick is Abibu Dosunmu. He's talking about Falolu Dosunmu. Falolu, the Oba of Lagos, was from the Dosunmu royal branch. So it's Falolu Dosunmu. He was king of Lagos after the death of Olowogbowo in 1932. So he came to the throne in 1932, October 30th, and died September 2nd, 1949. So he reigned for over a decade. So let's hear what Abibu's song says. Ladega is Ashogbon of Lagos then. Eki Makoli ki Ladega Ogbe. Ladega Ashogbon of Lagos. Eki Litano Litafa Ogbe. Rere dodoye. Ọba ó gba mẹ́dàlì níbi làmó bẹ́rí. Ire ire dòdòye. Jókòó di ìrúmọlẹ̀. Ó dọ̀fà kò ṣe mú ìrúmọlẹ̀ spirit. Ló kọ́ òpùrọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ òpùrọ́. Níbi rẹ́kọ̀dù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ò lówó. Ẹ̀yẹ̀bẹ̀ níbi rẹ́kọ̀dù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ò lówó. Ire ire dòdòye. Ire ire dòdòye. Ọmọdé kó máa rìn nípàdò nítorí ògidán. Méjì ń jà sí rùngbọ̀n, wọ́n dá rùngbọ̀n lóró. Ra òyàn. Kọ́ni ẹnì kankan pa. Bàbá kì í kò ní jẹ́. Ire ire dòdòye. Ire ire dòdòye. Ire ire dòdòye. Ire ire dòdòye. Kò sí jìnjìnjìn. Ire ire dòdòye. Kò sádékúnlé bí àbí kí ni wàhálà. Bó tàlárí náà ọkọláyà sì máa gbọ́. Ní owó là àlùkáwà ní òkàbọ̀. Radio wo ni alukawa ni okabo. The drummer here was Mimi Lola. Even though he was beating rhythmic, I caught him because he has his signature beat in this song. Mimi Lola ni eni konkoko. Mimi Lola ni eni konkoko. So Mimi Lola would do that a lot when he's playing. Oma Kire. Oma beat some of his favorite drum beat rhythmically. It was slotting in the rhythmic play, so it would flow. Mimi Lola ni eni konkoko. Mimi Lola ni eni konkoko. So that's the first one. The second song is called Olaniyọnu-un. And this one, he sang it for someone from the Olowogbowo area. You guys remember in my earlier video clips, I broke it down for you guys that Lagos Island was into 5 districts. Isaleko was the 1st district, Olowogbowo was the 2nd district, Pokwaguda 3rd district, Okofaji 4th district, then Ekpetedo the 5th district. But this person is singing about, his name is Lamidi Adisa Olaniyọnu-un. He's from the 2nd district. And it's another rap song. Now you can have the sense of what rap music sounds like from our angle, meaning our Alajabi's angle in the 1930s. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ amọmọda kò láforíjì Olọhun dá sẹriah fún. Olaniyọnu-un kọbalẹ̀ ṣàhùn rere jẹ́. Ṣebi erin ori gbigbọ tí ń gbàrà adugbo. Olowogbowo tọmọtọmọ yóò lo gba arógbá aṣọ yóò lo gba karaaka. Júwe ẹyin owó ń jẹ wẹlẹwẹlẹ. Oúnjẹ wẹ́lẹ́wẹ́lẹ́ niye, iwọfa niye. Adisa tiẹ̀ lé ẹ, ibo ló ń sábà wá pa. Ọkọ̀ aláṣàdé, ọkọ̀ Sabiti-ori-aran. Ọkọ̀ ṣíátà mi, ọkọ̀ ìyánátù mi, ọkọ̀ wojuwa Abdu-Lamidi, Adisa ọmọ ajaratu. So it gave you the profile of Lamidi Adisa Olaniyọnu. His mom's name was Ajaratu. Yọ̀ṣẹ́ rògbèrò tó tẹ̀lé gbà tó ló wà náà fi jọ. Ló wà náà fi ṣọ́gà dúpẹ́ mọ̀ tán pẹ́ dá. Ẹbí mo dúpẹ́ mọ̀ tán pẹ́ dá. Ní burú. Ní bajẹ-balumọ. Mama kẹ́ni kan mọ́ ni Adisa Lamidi ẹni tí ó kù la ó mọ̀ ó. Amọmọda kò láforíjì ọba ti dá sẹriah fún wọn o. That's a beat for you. I'm gonna play it one more time, but I'm gonna zip it so you guys can get the flavor of it. How it flows like a cool breeze. The reading like a cool breeze. Kò ní burúburú kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ ni, kò ní bajẹ-balumọ kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ ni, ẹni tó kù la ò mọ̀. And the first song, the Abibu Dosunmu, it was being snaky. Only lọ́la ní ẹnìkan kọ́kọ́. Mímí lọ́la ní ẹnìkan kọ́kọ́. So that's Abibu for you guys. I'm pretty sure when he came out with this song and he was rapping, and he probably threw his fans a little bit like, whoa, this is different. And I'm pretty sure they caught on to it later on. You guys remain blessed. Happy New Year. Stay blessed. Leave comment if you know the song, or if you're familiar with it, or if you have questions about the song.